I'm Tia Borden with MiningIR, and joining me is Adam Melnik, Director and CEO of Zacapa Resources. Adam, thank you so much for joining me this morning.
It's an absolute pleasure to be here, Tia.
We're here bright and early. I don't know how many other people are here this early. We're on day 3, so I think people had a fun night last night. We have a big night tonight. I don't know if you're attending the gala tonight.
I plan to.
And there's an award ceremony as well. Do you expect to get an award?
Oh, we'll see. We'll see. There are lots of great leaders in this space, so
yes,
time will tell.
Well, it'll be a nice dinner regardless. Now, Adam, can you tell us a little bit about the company?
Absolutely. So Zacapa Resources is a copper and gold exploration company focused on the southwest United States. We have 5 projects in Nevada, Arizona, Idaho, and Colorado that we're actively progressing. 4 of those projects are exploration stage, and we've progressed those through our rigorous exploration pipeline. And we have a very large resource in Colorado as well that underpins our valuation in the marketplace. And we're very excited to have delivered on our first drill program as a public company.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Tia. And we're looking forward to launching our second drill program at our flagship South Bullfrog property in the Borden district of Nevada.
Can you expand on that project a little bit?
Definitely. We're very excited about this project. We've recently received drill permits to go and drill 5,000 meters at 3 target areas at South Bullfrog. This district is really evolving. In the last 3 years, we've gone from a couple of non-core oxide gold deposits in the district, and in 3 years, we've had the discovery of 10 to 15 million ounces by AngloGold Ashanti, Corvus Gold, Coeur Mining, and Augusta Gold and Kinross are also in the district as well. And it's really evolving. There'll be 4 new mines in production in the next 2 years, and we're right in the center of the district about to make a very interesting discovery from my perspective. Time will tell if that comes to fruition, but we're very excited about the program we have planned there.
Nevada is a huge mining hub and a great place to be, and like you said, you're surrounded by other large mines. What are some of the successes that you've already had in this, say, past year?
Definitely. So when we IPO'd in January of this year, our intent was to create consistent catalysts for both copper and gold exploration projects. Obviously, market conditions have changed dramatically over the last year, but we continue to press on and prioritize catalysts for both copper and gold projects that we have in our portfolio. We had a technical success at our Red Top project where we discovered chalcopyrite and bornite in all 6 of our holes that we drilled right next to Resolution in Arizona. I think this market's a little bit unforgiving when you don't have a discovery in your first phase of drilling, but we're very proud of how our team executed there and the decisions we made around tripling the size of that drill program and chasing high quality copper mineralization, which is what our shareholders have empowered us to go and do. So we're very excited to spend the remainder of the year and into 2023 focusing on our flagship gold project, South Bullfrog.
That'll be very exciting. I was just going to say, what are you most excited for 2023? Are there any other things that you're looking forward to that might be, big wins, say, for the new year?
Definitely. Thank you for prompting that, Tia. So we're actually planning to drill 3 projects in 2023. Our South Bullfrog project is our flagship, and that's where we're going to be focusing. And subject to our drill results and our market capitalization improving, we intend to go and drill our second porphyry copper target in the state of Arizona called Pearl, next to the San Manuel Kalamazoo giant copper deposit that BHP mined until 2003. We have some very interesting targets there. So again, balancing the catalyst in our company between copper and gold. And we also plan to drill our Miller Mountain project in Idaho, where we have outcropping gold mineralization, some very interesting veins, and we're just going to drill along strike of those veins and try and prove up an initial inferred resource. Importantly, in the last 2 months, we've announced we're also planning to split our company into 2, create a copper spin co. The feedback from our investors, particularly the large funds involved in our capital structure, would prefer to have direct exposure to copper or gold, not necessarily both in the same portfolio. So we're going through a process right now of evaluating how we can create the most value and unlock the most value by spinning those copper assets we have out into a new public company.
Amazing.
So stay tuned.
And what are the top 3 reasons, if you could only pick 3, that investors should invest with you?
Absolutely. So, I mean, number 1, there's a very clear path to value creation at our South Bullfrog project. AngloGold Ashanti has been consolidating the Borden district consistently. They acquired Corvus Gold for about $500 million Canadian dollars, and recently acquired Core Mining's Crown and Sterling projects for $200 million. They're planning to build effectively a $1 billion hub and spoke production facility in the Beatty district. It's going to be the new Cripple Creek for that company. So you'll see a super major investing billions of dollars in exploration and developing new mines in Beatty with visibility on 10 to 15 million ounces just in their portfolio alone. We have a mid-tier in the Beatty district, Augusta Gold, developing 2 new mines as well. So there's a very clear path to value creation by our team, which is an extremely successful and well-educated and intellectual exploration team, making a discovery on the doorstep of these majors and mid-tiers, developing and exploring in the district. So I'd say that's the number one reason to own Zacapa shares, is for exposure to our drill program over the next 6 months in Nevada. And number two, I think I hit the nail on the head there, you want to buy our technical team and support our troops in the field. They're doing a fantastic job executing to perfection in a very challenging macro environment. So I'm very proud of our technical team. And really, we're thinking very differently. A number of industry participants are getting very fearful of the macro environment, and I think now is the time to be bold, to be looking at new projects, looking at interesting ways to create and unlock value in a very challenging time for the industry, at a period of time when the majors are net cash, paying record dividends, doing record share buybacks. If you want to create value in this industry, now is the time to have conviction, and that's what our team and board has. So those are the top 3 reasons to own our stock, Tia.
And like you said, it's so incredibly important to have such a strong team behind you, which you do. Adam, thank you so much for joining me today. Adam Melnik of Zacapa Resources. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much, Tia.
Last day.
It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
And you.